guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing the Boxy charm unboxing, so February's box. So this is just the regular size box. The Luxy one is coming in March, so next month will be the Luxy box. So this is just my normal size box, my unboxing. So I don't have any makeup on my face right now because I don't know what's coming in the box and I want to try out the products and see what they look like and how they work. So I will do my makeup as I go through the video with you guys and use the products accordingly. So let's just dive on into the box. So the box looks like this, very normal. It looks like this. My cream is upside down for some reason. So let's see what this says. So it is Afterglow. So it gives you all of the stuff we get in the box, all of the prices and whatnot, and the box on the inside looks like this, and it is actually not very organized this time. Some of the stuff is upside down and the bubble wrap stuff, like the foam that they use, is kind of all over the place, so kind of looks like they just threw this box together really quickly, so that's already kind of interesting. So the first thing that I see in the box is the cream that is upside down. So this is the Sol de Janeiro Love It, Flaunt It, You've Got It cream. So I believe this is a full-sized item. It looks like this. Retails for $22 and I believe it is a full-size product. It does look bigger than the other cream that we got in the summer quite a few months ago. So I'm going to open it. So it kind of smells like popcorn. It smells like popcorn kernels. I don't have anything against the way that smells. A lot of people online didn't like the scent of it, so I think it smells really good. So this is the Coco Cabana cream. Instantly transforms dry, dehydrated, irritated skin into its softest, bounciest, most luscious version of itself. It's an oil and water gel cream texture. Kisses the body with cocoa sugar blend of fermented sugar and nourishing coconut oil to draw, hold, and hug moisture for up to 72 hours. So I am going to prime my face with this cream. It smells really good. I really like the scent of it. I can see how some people might not like it though. It might be too strong of a scent for them, but I think it is really, really, really nice so far. First thing that I will say that about this cream is it is making my skin extremely red, and my skin does feel kind of like almost chapped where I applied it, so it is kind of having like almost like a burning sensation. So it may be too scented for my skin on my face, but it may be a good skin cream for my hands because I don't feel the same thing on my hands, just on my face. My face just may be a little bit too sensitive, but either way, I like the scent of it. So the next thing that I see in the box is No Pore, No Problem primer. So I got a primer along with the cream. So let's see, No Pore, No Primer is the Touch in Soul. So it says, create a seamless canvas for your foundation for the new Touch in Soul Problem Primer. The silky light texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. So when I open it, it looks like this, and I believe it will, yep, it's a pump. Yeah, so it's a pump. I want to know what it smells like. I honestly can't smell anything over the cream. The cream has a really strong scent, but up close, this is what the primer looks like. It is this clear frosted glass bottle with the pink rating and a black lid. Coco Cabana cream looks like this. It's a cute little bottle. The last one that we got was the yellow one, and this is obviously the turquoise one. So that retails for $18. So I've already primed my face with the Coco Cabana cream, but I'll prime my face again with this. So I'm just going to take a little bit out and just add it all over. It doesn't have a very strong scent. I honestly can't really smell it over the cream, so not too strong at all. So that retails for $18. And the next thing that I see is an Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. So this is a super long wearing eyeshadow pencil that is soft, super gliding and easy to blend. This Nudex Magnetic Luminous Eye Color is the ultimate multitasker to achieve intense color, precise lining, and primes eyelids for an all-day waterproof wear to ensure your nude glam lasts. So this is the color Copper Foil, so the color is right here. I personally am not really a fan of nude makeup, so I'm not going to try this out today. I think I'm actually going to give this away. So this retails for $24, but I will probably just add it to another giveaway or give it to one of my friends. I just know that I'm not a fan of nude makeup, and I have enough colors that look like this already in my collection that I don't need another one right now. So I am going to leave it sealed shut and give it away. So that retails for $24. So the next thing that I see in the box is, actually, before I go further into the box, I am going to quickly go and do my eyeshadow, and then I will be right back to continue with this box. Okay, so now that I have my full face of makeup on, minus the rest of the stuff that's in the box, I am going to show you. So the next thing that we got in the box is a Pretty Vulgar bronzer. So this is the color Bronzed Bee 113 Bronze Mannequin, and this retails for $32 for this bronzer, so that's very expensive. I don't have anything from Pretty Vulgar, I don't believe. I gave the blush that we got a couple boxes ago away in a giveaway, so I don't have that anymore. So I'm gonna go in with a Morphe brush, and I'm just going to bronze my cheeks and see what this looks like. So swatch on my finger. It's a very warm bronzer, so it looks like this. It's very warm, so let's just see. It blends really nicely, and it is a very pretty color for my skin tone, but I find that I like a little bit more of a darker bronzer, so I'm gonna quickly go grab my NYX Contour and Sculpting palette. So as for bronzers, I prefer a darker bronzer. This is more of a very warm sun-kissed bronzer, whereas I prefer just a little bit darker. So I like to have a pretty dramatic contour. So I'm gonna go in with the 3 shades that I use and just darken up my contour a little bit. So a bronzer that I would say is similar to the one that we got in the BoxyCharm would be the Butter London bronzer. So this is what the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula looks like, and this is what the Pretty Vulgar bronzer looks like. So I would say it's more similar to the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. It is a very warm, kind of sun-kissed bronzer, and this one is only like $15, whereas this one is, I believe it was $32. So I find that that's a little bit too expensive for a bronzer for me personally. I probably won't repurchase it. I think the packaging is really pretty and it is a really pretty color, but I find that that is just a little bit too high of a price for me in personal. So the next thing that I want to do is do a little bit of highlight. So I did get a peach highlight in the mystery box. If you haven't seen the mystery box from Jeffree Star, I will link it right here for you guys, or here, wherever one. And I haven't had a chance to use this yet. So I'm gonna go in with my tapered highlight brush by Lexi, and I'm gonna go in with the peach. This is Frozen Peach by Jeffree Star, it's the Supreme Frost. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of oil, like I always do, and just lay down some highlight. Right before I put the highlight on, I'm going to set my skin with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So now I'm going to go in with Frozen Peach. So this is a really pretty highlight. It is more of a subtle highlight though. I prefer more of a blinding highlight, which does surprise me because it is Jeffree Star and he's all about that blinding highlight look. But this is a really gorgeous champagne highlight. It's very pretty and it's very shimmery, but it's just not like in your face enough for me. So I'm gonna go in with Jeffree Star again, but I'm gonna go in with Ice Cold, which is this one right here. And I'm just going to lay that over top. There's my ice cold blinding highlight that I live for. So that peach highlight is really pretty. If you are into champagne highlights and you like more of a subtle highlight, then it is definitely really pretty. So that's awesome. I'm happy that I got that in the mystery box. So I'm going to finish off my eyes really quickly with you guys on camera. So I'm just gonna go in with my blender brush, and I'm gonna go in with this red color right here, and I'm just going to sweep that underneath my eyes. And I'm gonna go in with the color, with the copper shade that we used, this color right here, and I'm just going to add that in the center. And then I'm gonna go in with my blender brush again and just blend those colors together. And now the last thing that we got in the box is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So this mascara is raved and everybody loves it, and everybody talks about it online about how it's such an amazing mascara, whereas there's two sides of the story. There's one side of the story where everybody is like, oh my god, it's so great, and the other side whereas this is the worst mascara they've ever used in their life, and it is way too overpriced. So this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara retails for $24, and that's expensive for a mascara, but you know what? I'm gonna give it a shot. I've only ever heard, well, I've heard both good and bad things, but I've had my best friend rant and rave about this and then turn around and say that it's actually overpriced and she's found better mascaras. So I'm going to try it out and let's just see what I think. Okay, so for $24, I personally wouldn't purchase this mascara. I think that is incredibly overpriced for a mascara. I have found better mascaras at the drugstore, like the Maybelline Falsies mascara that I always talk about, how it is such a good mascara for like $4. So this is a nice mascara. I like the wand, but I do think that $24 is just a little bit too expensive for me personally, so I don't think I will repurchase it. But I'm really happy that I got to try it out, and maybe I will try it out when I'm doing a look without lashes so I can actually get the full experience. I just used it on the bottom lashes like you guys saw. So the last thing that I need to do is I need to throw on a lip, but I'm also going to add a highlight to my brow bones. So I am gonna go in with the Frozen Peach by Jeffree Star, the highlight again, and I'm just going to put that on my brow bone. Not lining enough. All right, so I am actually gonna go in with Ice Cold, and I'm gonna put this all over my brow bone. And now the last thing that I want to do is I want to throw on a lip. So this is again the Jeffree Star Self Control. It is the lilac lip color that I've wanted to try since I received it in the mystery box. So it's this really gorgeous lilac lavender lip color that I've really wanted to try out. I wanted to see what it looked like. I don't know if it goes with this look, but it was really fun. I think I'm gonna take it off though because it doesn't actually go with this look at all, and I think I'm gonna throw on a nude. So I'm gonna go find Can't Relate, and I will be right back. So that was everything that was in the Boxy charm this month. I know this video was kind of a little bit random. It was kind of like a get ready with me feet Boxy charm. So the total for this month's box was $118. I'm really happy they didn't send another palette because I am getting really tired of the palettes that Boxy Charm is choosing for its subscribers, and I'm really sick and tired of cranberries and nudes, and I know that the next palette to come in the Boxy Luxe is another fucking nude kind of cranberry palette. So I'm happy that this month they didn't send us one. They did send us like an eyeshadow kind of pencil thing that I'm going to give away, but I'm happy that we didn't get a palette. So for $118, I only paid $36, so I think this is still a really good deal. I'm really happy with the cream that we got. I think this smells really great. The primer, I honestly didn't really notice a difference with the application of my makeup. I still kind of see the foundation sinking into my lines, so I'm not too sure that this primer actually really does anything, but whatever. I like the choice of the bronzer. I just think that it's a little bit too expensive, and what else did we get? The Better Than Sex mascara I think is incredibly overpriced, as Too Faced is, but it's still an awesome product to get in a subscription box like so, but I do think it is just a little bit overpriced. And then of course I didn't try out the eyeshadow pencil because I'm going to give it away like I said, but I do think this was a really great box this month. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at my next video. Bye!